something cool. My Layens hive. Got a big spider living in here. Could be a black widow. It's got an egg. Look at that. The Layens hive is totally full. They've got 1, 2, 3, 5 empty space worth. So that's a completely full Layens hive. It is one massive colony of bees. And that's the window of the bees. Oh, look at them, you can see them putting nectar in the back there, look. Oh, I can smell it, it smells beautiful. Bees all up the window. The spider's nice and fat because it lives on bees. Look, window of the bees. All of this is oak. Oak barn door, oak trimmings. Got some escapes from the roof. Lift lid, insulated roof, and it's got vents and then also escapes for when the bees get stuck up in there. Another spider living up there. So this is, it's a 20 something frame Layens hive, 25 or something. Look there in the sugar. So it's a crazy big hive. The bees love it.